Here's a simple way to create the timeless iris shot camera effect. First, we'll need a post-process material. The radial gradient exponential node creates this soft, circular shape, perfect for our effect. Parameterizing the radius and center position will allow for easy tweaks. For example here, you can already see the effect in action. Same with the iris position parameter if we want to change where the iris will focus in the end. Second, just using the camera in a basic character blueprint in which I added the material I want to use as a dynamic material instance, connected this to a weighted blendable, since this is what we need in our camera's post-process material. Otherwise, a timeline to smoothly create the final effect. Let's check it out again. Can also stop this before reaching 0 for that classic spy movie flavor. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.